Ah,
Okay.
start ma. Start.
Start, madam. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Sai Priya, and our teammates are Archana and Ganga. Our project topic is recommendation engine for enabling OBE in introduction institutions. Next, let's start with the introduction. Nowadays, industries require people with better job skills compared to earlier. Now, the institutions are also dependent on the students' learning and the outcome that is based upon the industrial skills. So, the institutions are moving towards OBE in order to improve the knowledge skills of the students and to meet the industrial expectations. In this project, the application has a designed as a recommendation system to perform comparative analysis of the institutional curriculum data with industrial requirement data. This project will also give the comparison between the institutes with the industry by giving the percentage of a mapped skills of the industry with the institutions. This will help the industry to extract the skilled school students from the institute that will match their skills with the industry. Now, let's start with the demonstration. As we can see with the first menu option, we have the drop down arrow mark and also we have three options, that is single institute versus industry, second is multiple institute versus single industry, and the last one is the single institute versus single institute. Now let me explain about the first option, that is a single institute versus industry. After clicking here, we will get three options to be filled out, that is institute, branch and industries. Let us select VTU Belgaum. Branch is CSE and industry is Walmart. Walmart. After selecting, let's click download. When we click download, the application makes a Google search for the skill sets of institute, that is VTU Belgaum, and also the skill set of the industry, that is Walmart. After downloading these skill sets from the Google, it tokenizes the skill sets of the VTU Belgaum and also the Walmart industry. After tokenization, the unmatched skills sets are recommended to the institute from the industry.
Sorry for the interruption.
The data
Now I'm clicking on
sets
the
are getting
recommendation to
tokenized.
institutes. These are the skill sets that are recommended to the institution from the industry. Now let's go to the second option, that is multiple institute with single industry. Here we have 3 to 4 options to be filled out. That first let us fill with the VTU Belgaum, branch uh, CS, industry Royal Dutch Shell, and now I'm gonna add another institute, that is Indian Institute of Science Bangalore. Now I'm going to click the compare. When I click a compare, it downloads, actually as my friend said, it makes a Google search on the skill set of these two institutes, that is VTU Belgaum and the Indian Institute of Science. And also it downloads the skill set of Royal Dutch Shell industry. When after downloading the skill set, it compares the skill set of first institutes, that is VTU Belgaum and the Indian Institute of Science. After it tokenizes the skill set. After tokenization, the unmatched skills are filtered. Those unmatched skill sets are then compared to the Royal Dutch Shell. And also here we'll get a bar chart. Just a minute. Can you see here bar chart? It's of 16 VTU Belgaum has a 69% and even the Indian Institute of Science has a 69%. This means by seeing this bar chart, industries can decide the institution for recruitment. I mean, industries can decide to which institute they can recruit by watching this bar chart. Now the third option will be explained by my friend Ganga. Ganga, continue.
Okay. And let us choose the third option, that is institution versus institutes. As we have three options filled out, that is first option is institution. We can see two options, one is institute and another one is university. VTU and Bangalore Institute. Next option is branch. Currently, we have six branches installed, that is CS, IS, Mechanical, Civil, EC, and EE. Next option is institutes. We have to choose one institutes after filling these options to click a download. This is the same fashion in the first one, that is single institute versus industry. Actually, we have to behind this is the app will search will make a Google search on the institution skill set on the institute skill sets. Download the both skills from institution and institutes. After downloading it, tokenize the skill sets and then compare institution skills set with institute. Set skill set after comparing the unmatched skill sets are recommended to the institute. After the completion, recommended to the institute. These are the recommendations to the Indian Institute of Science from Royal Dutch Industry. Thank you.